Okay, so today we're going to be talking about proportions. So we'll just hop right into it. This question is telling us that the distance to our brother's house is 920 miles, and the distance to Dallas is 782 miles, and it took 20 hours to drive to your brother's house. And we want to find out how long it will take to drive to Dallas. A way to find out is to use proportions. So let me just set this up. So the trick with proportions is we want to match our items up. So 920 miles to our brother's house and 20 hours to get there. It doesn't matter which one is on the top or the bottom, as long as you are consistent in the next step. So we know that the drive to Dallas is 782 miles. And you can see how we sort of matched up the same units. So miles to miles. And then we have X hours. We don't know how many hours it took. So we want to find what X is. We have our proportion of our brother's house, and we have our proportion to Dallas. And what we can do to solve for X is cross multiply. So 920 miles, well, we don't need to keep the units for right now. 920X is equal to 782 times 20, which should give you 920X is equal to 15,640. And then you can divide both sides by 920 to get X by itself, which should give you 17. So X is equal to 17, which represents 17 hours. It takes 17 hours to drive to Dallas from your house. So then the next question is also a word problem. We can set this up. This one is saying Maria is investing her money. So she thinks that she should make, sorry, I'm pressing the wrong button, $19 for every $150 she invests, and she invests 3,450. And so we can set this proportion up with the, again, it doesn't matter which one's on the top or bottom in the first step, as long as you match it up in the second. So 19 profit for 150 investments is equal to 3,450 investments to X profit. Then we can cross multiply, which should give you $437 in profit. Basically, as long as you line up the units from straight across and you keep the same grouping, it should work fine. So we know that this is the Maria initial, this is the knowledge, and this is the want. So like, I don't know how to classify that, but we know like this is the brother and this is Dallas, stuff like that. Yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know and I will answer them. Yeah, have a good one.